So I'm seeing that our next company, Dongling, is in the waiting list. So I'm sort of like go to our next company to visit from Guangdong, Dongling Power Technology. Dongling. Great. Hello, Dongling. Hi.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon.
Hi, I'm good afternoon. I'm Jane. Is this Smart?
Yeah, it's David from Dong Power.
Oh, from David. Okay, David. Hi, good afternoon. From David from Dongling. Would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company or products in 10 to 15 minutes, please? Thank you.
Yes, of course. Okay. Now I will introduce our company. You can see my PowerPoint. Our company is established in 2009, which we are a high-power LED driver manufacturer for the road lighting, appliance lighting, and the high-bay. We have a history of 10 years. Now we have nearly 600 employees. Here you can see is our enterprise's owner and our R&D center. So here is our R&D process verification center. Here also, and check our quality control process. Now you can see our production workshop. We have 16 high-power LED driver production line, and each production line has a daily production capacity of 3,000 units. Here also our production workshop. You can see we have automatic glue machine. Here, last one is our aging test machine. Here is our warehouse. Our sales strategy is stock sales. Now I introduce our products. You can see our products can use in outdoor lighting. And the second one is the smart road lighting. Third one is for square and plant lighting LED driver. Last one is industrial stadium lighting LED driver. All products is high power LED driver, so used for these 4 fields. Now I introduce our product series. We have MBG series from 50 to 240 watts. This is a flicker-free LED driver for the EU market. And the MAP series is from 50 to 200 watts for the EU market also. And the MX series is from 50 to 720 watts. It's a programming LED driver for the road lighting or plant lighting like this. And MNG series from 100 to 240 watts is a smart lighting LED driver for the street light. And the PMA series is from 300 watts to 200 watts for the plants and grow lighting. SEF series is a long isolated from 100 to 240 watts is for the high bay and used for the stadium or the factory. Now I will show you our hot product now. Is MAP series. Just like I said, this product from 50 to 200 watts. Now you can see the features. The output is 20 to 38 and 32 to 58. This for the 2 choice. And also we provide the dimming function for the 3-in-1 and 0 to 10 and PWM and RX. Also the high surge for this series. And we give 5-year warranty. Now is another series is MXG series. This series and from 50 to 720 watts. Now is for the American market, because it's wide input in voltage, 120 watts to 277. We provide the P series is a programming function. You can use the computer to add the current, or you can set up time dimming. We also provide 5-year warranty. It's a very hot sale. Also include UL, CUA, FCC Class P, ENEC, CB, CESA certificate. So you can use this driver to produce your light to sell over the world. Now you can see our application in different countries. Now you can see the high by for the 150 watts in Russia. And in California, in USA, this for the plant lighting. And also in Vietnam, you can see all the product for the sports. And Brazil and Mexico for the high-by road lighting. Last one, I will show you our market. Our company has a history of 10 years. So our overseas market in the past 8 years. Now we sell our product to more than 130 countries and regions. We also have distribution countries. You can see we have distributor in Russia, Brazil, Turkey, Egypt, Vietnam, and Indonesia. If you are interested in our distributor, maybe we can cooperate. So now in conclusion, why you can choose Dawn? Because we have powerful production and R&D. We have more than 100 electronic engineers and management. We got 10 years experience on a driver and strict quality control. We can give you fast delivery. So we have good customer service. So you can be sure we will give you good products and good service. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions, please contact me in email, WhatsApp, WeChat, or you can visit our website for the further information.
Wow, thank you, David. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. David, would you like to turn on your camera? Because right now we can only see you're sharing your screen, your computer screen, but I can't see your face or your video from you.
Yeah. Just
yeah, take your time.
Yeah, you can see me.
Yes, right now. Wow. Hello. Hi, David. I just hear from your professional introduction of your company, Dongling, and what your production line and your distribution channel or the products can sell to the partner overseas. So, few questions for your products warranty. I hear from it's like 5 years, right? The warranty of your product.
Yeah. We provide 5 years.
5 years. And MOQ.
MOQ normally is 500 pieces.
500 pieces.
But we have many stocks. Maybe you can order a quantity, but it must be in stock.
Be in stock. Have you done ever from the retail? For example, you have do you have a overseas warehouse located in Brazil or United States or Europe? Overseas warehouse, have you done this or not yet? You just ship all the products from China, right? No,
our distributor will have some inventory in their warehouse because they need to give customers fast delivery.
Yes,
because you need to save the time and save the costs.
That's why I asked this question, because I see that you have distributors in overseas, many countries overseas. Yes,
because the delivery time is very important.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Faster delivery and happier the customer. Yes. Okay. So almost all the questions from me. Is this all for the presentation today? Any products in your hand, or is there any showroom on your side, or next time, or you will show us next time?
Yeah, of course, we have a showroom.
Mm-hmm.
We will show you all our products and application.
Yes. So, okay. So for today, I guess anything else you want to add in this interview?
I just want to say we now all focus on the high power early drivers. Now our annual sales is over than how to say the RMB for the 60 million USD each year.
60 million USD each year annual. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 60
million.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a great achievement. Yeah. Have you ever been affected by the COVID-19, the pandemic?
Yeah. Pardon?
Have you suffered from the COVID-19, the virus situation affecting your business?
No, not yet.
Oh, wow, that's really good. Okay, so I think it's so far from me, and you have done really good, very good introduction.
Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous.
Oh, your English is so good, and you have give us a very good introduction. Thank you, David.
Oh, yeah. Okay, have a
I'm
good day.
excited to see you again.
See you again. Bye bye.
See you. Bye, David.